Hi everyone, so PandaHall Selected asked if I wanted to do a collaboration with them, and of course I said yes. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I picked out so I can use and share the projects with you guys. So it's all in this bag right here. And it did come like bubble wrapped, and like these were individually wrapped, but I opened it all up just to make things a little bit faster for the video. So, in this first little box, I love these little storage containers that they come in. Definitely keep these and use to like decorate and go ahead and embellish the top of it. Like add some paper, little flowers. You could totally decorate this. It's so cute. And then look, it's like a perfect little size to add something really small and cute in there. But the actual item are these adorable gold heart charms. Look at how pretty these are. They are so stinking cute. So this way it is like bubbled out, and then on the back side it does kind of like go in a little bit, if you can see right there. So it is cute. Like either way, front or back, they are still adorable. They are so pretty. So there's those little hearts right there. I will leave a link down below to their website, and then I'll link all of these products as well. And we do have a coupon code that is for you guys. It is VAGA, and you get $5 off a purchase of $49 or more. And I'll leave that down in the description box as well. Okay, this thing is heavy, heavy, heavy. So this is smaller than the normal wax seals that I use. So this one is smaller in width, but it's on this like gold bar. Look at how pretty this is. Like, I just want to have this out for decoration. Like, I just think it's gorgeous. So this does have some weight to it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And I love that it's slightly smaller than the standard size. So we are going to play with that as well. And this one, you guys, this is my whole obsession out of everything that I picked out. It is better in person than I thought it was. Look at all these felty little beads and felty little charms. So stinking cute. So we have this like dark maroon bow right here. And it is a charm or a bead. And it is velvet. So pretty. We have some velvet heart charms. We have some velvet beads right here. So cute. And in this one, we also have these little like red balls right here that are charms. And then down at the very bottom, we have them in white as well. I'll go ahead and get one out to share with you guys. And there is the white one. So they kind of look like little velvet pom-poms, but these are a lot harder. Like, you can't squish these. And then over here we have some pearl beads, and they are in different sizes. So there's a small and then the larger one. And then down in here we have some more double bows, and then some gold little spacer beads. These double bows are gorgeous. Let me show you guys. Like, these are just stunning. They're so pretty. I'm like, I need a pack of just these gold bows. Look at that. So you can hang it from either way. You know, like you can add like a little dingly charm here, and then, you know, add like your little earring hoop or your lobster clasp up here. Just beautiful. I love those bows. So yeah, I definitely need to look into if they sell just those bows, because I definitely need to order some of those. And then in the next little compartment over here, we have some more of those darker maroon color velvet little heart charms. And at the bottom of this one, we have some ribbon. So let me share with you guys what that looks like. So just this beautiful little red ribbon right here. You could go ahead and tie this into some little bows right here. Or you can just go ahead and use it as it is and just make like a little like dingly tassel. So many possibilities with that. Love that. And then in this last little compartment, we have our findings. So here we have some earring hooks. We also have some gold jump rings. We do have some head pins and some eye pins. And then over here, we have 2 beadable hoops in gold. So you just go ahead and slide one side out. You're going to bead your little charms and your little beads. And then what I do is once I have my design the way I want, I add a little bit of glue to the end right there. And then I slide it back in just so that I know it's not going to, you know, snag and fall apart. But you can definitely leave it as is and don't glue it if you want to be able to change out your design. But I just glue mine. And then we also have some little hoops down here. So we have 4 little gold rings right here. I have fat chubby fingers and I just think that they are so cute. Just to like go ahead and stack it like a little ring. But I mean, it is too big for my, even for my chubby fingers, but I just thought that they were really pretty. I was like, ooh, but no, you could definitely go ahead and attach it here with one of the jump rings. You would just go ahead and put the jump ring through this hole and then go ahead and put the jump ring down through this hoop, and then you have like a little dangly hoop right there. So that's how it was meant to go ahead and work. But you know, crazy me, I improvise and just do my own thing. So there's all that pieces right there. And then for this last one, which I think is amazing, it's a whole set. So it's the stamp and the dies, which is awesome. I love that. I wish everything came like this. So we have our Valentine's Day stamps right here. So that's what those look like. And then we have the matching dies right here that goes to everything. So like this one is the hand right here. Then we have this little heart and bow, which is this one, our arrow, which is that one. We have love right here, which is our love right there. Let's see, we have our little rectangle, which is for this one right here. We have our circle, which is for our little heart right here. And then you can use all these words and put together a little banner, which how pretty is this banner right here? 2 little hearts on the end, and then it's just open right here. And then you could go ahead and stamp these in that little banner if you like. So you see how these fit in the banner? Really, really stinking cute. So love that. And I think that's all the dies, right? Oh, and then there's like these smaller ones that like go over here. Like to these. So there's that. So yeah, all of these stamps have the coordinating die. So I love that. So that is our little haul for right now from PandaHall Selected. And like I said, I'll link all these products down below in the description box. And I will also link the coupon code. And then I can't wait to share with you guys what I come up with. I'm really excited to jump right on into Valentine's Day crafting. It's going to be so much fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.